Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GIMP for graphic design, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open GIMP on your computer. Once GIMP is open, navigate to the Edit menu in the top left corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, locate and click on Interface in the left sidebar. Adjust the icon theme to your preference for a more personalized workspace. Next, click on Icon Theme within the interface settings. Choose between Custom Icon Theme or GIMP Icon Theme based on your aesthetic preference. After that, navigate to Theme and select a theme that suits your design style. Now, move to the Input Devices section. Ensure that your input devices, like graphics tablets or styluses, are properly configured. Return to the main Preferences window and look for Display. Under Display, adjust the filter size to enhance viewing quality. Next, navigate to the Color Management section. Make sure the color profiles are set to your desired working space for accurate color representation. Now, locate the Toolbox section in the Preferences. Customize the toolbox by adding or removing tools according to your graphic design workflow. Next, set up the brushes by going to the Brushes section. Select the default brush size and shape that fits your design needs. Then, head over to the Fonts section in the Preferences. Install any additional fonts that you may need for your projects. Now, adjust the grid settings by navigating to the Guide section. Show the grid to help with alignment and symmetry in your designs. Now, configure the shortcuts within the Preferences. Change or add shortcuts for frequently used tools to speed up your workflow. Return to the main interface and create a new project. Set the canvas size to your desired dimensions for graphic design. Customize the background color or pattern of your canvas. Now, enable any additional tool windows like tool options and layers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.